What is up, guys? We are doing a video of Lightning McQueen and Tomater color changers and testing them out today. They're part of the new 2020 color changers. And yeah, let's get started. So, ka-chow. We're gonna start off with Lightning. So, I don't know which one he changes, but I think he goes into this. Yeah, look. Now he's red. Yeah, look at him. Now he's a red lightning. And Mater, I believe, goes into here as well. Yeah. Why didn't Mater change all the way? Okay, so that's weird. I unboxed this like 2 minutes ago, which is kind of weird, but well, I'm gonna do that like Dinoco McQueen, half Rusty's and half Dinoco, and make it look like that. That's not all the way. Yeah, that's good. Now we're gonna do Mater. Now he's back to his regular blue. We're gonna put Lightning back in his ordinary red. Wait, I'm ready, yeah. I'm gonna put Mater. I'm gonna use the sink. Oh, way faster. And this video is gonna be pretty short. And yeah, it's gonna be really short. I'm gonna double upload like right after this video because I do like the shortest videos ever. So yeah, that was the review of this. Wait, to the reviews. I'm gonna just change it back to their normals. That's the wrong thing. This is how they came in the box. There we go. Now we're gonna put Mater in. So this is how they came in the box. Lightning was yellow. Ugh. Yeah, Lightning was yellow. Why does it keep on changing red? Well, that's just weird. Well, he came in yellow. Well, I'm just gonna put him in red because he keeps on changing red. And it hasn't all the way cleared up. Yeah. So Lightning came in yellow in the box. I think I still have the boxes in here. No, they don't. I don't. Well, I'm not going all the way to trash to go get it. To show ya. That's almost done with this review. I'm just gonna review them real quick. So this is Mater. It's made out of plastic. White tires. I don't know why this keeps on changing to what's it called? To purple. That's weird. I don't know. There's its tow hook, of course. Sorry I didn't do an unboxing of this, but I didn't have a video for it in mind yet. Yeah, see? That normally changes. He just came in like that in the box. I don't know if I got scammed or anything, but so this is Mater. Pretty typical. Made out of plastic. And here's lightning. I not like throw these or anything on the ground or anything. I just unboxed them like 2 minutes ago. Typical lightning. Car 3, lightning McQueen. Yeah, so that's gonna do it for this video. I'm a double upload today, like right after this video. So bye.